Hey guys, what's up? So if you want to do this balloon trend in TikTok, you need to have CapCut because this template is on CapCut. So once you have CapCut, what you can do? You can do two things. Either you can go directly to CapCut or you can go to my profile and go to CapCut templates. Okay, here I want this part 5. This is the template. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the screen, you will see this template icon. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to this page. Now tap on use template in CapCut. Okay, you will be directed to CapCut. Okay, now here tap on use template. It will take 39 credit and you can create video for you, or you can do one thing. When you open CapCut, just tap on template at the bottom of the screen. Now you will see this templates, balloon templates. If you can't see, just search for balloon. Okay, and you will see all this template. Tap on the template you want. Today I finished all my free uses, so I need to pay 39 credits. So let's tap on use template. Okay, now let's browse the picture from camera roll. Okay, let's go with this one. Hit next, apply. Okay, and we are fine now. Okay, now you can tap on export and you can share it to your TikTok. Good. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can do this balloon trend on your TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat or YouTube. So thanks for watching the video guys. In the next video,